That little $9.99 a month fee. It feels like nothing, right? Well, what if I told you that little fee is actually the bait in a multi-billion-dollar psychological trap? A trap designed to quietly drain your bank account, not once, not twice, but every single month. Today, we're going undercover to expose the dark patterns built to keep you paying, why cancelling feels harder than escaping a cult, and how Australians are losing hundreds of dollars a year without even realizing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they get you and how to stop the leak today. All right, let's begin. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you opened your banking app and actually checked every transaction line by line? Yeah, almost nobody does that, and companies know that. This is what experts call subscription creep. It's not one huge charge that hits your wallet. It's death by 1,000 tiny $9.99 cuts. Studies show Australians waste $600 to $1,200 a year on subscriptions they've forgotten about. Entertainment, fitness, meal kits, news sites, apps, software, you name it. They've turned it into a subscription. And that $9.99 price point, that's not random, is low enough to slip past your brain's big purchase alarm. Feels like buying a coffee and not committing to a new bill. But here's the trick. 3 of those coffees a month is $360 a year. Add a few more, suddenly you're funding someone's bonus. And meanwhile, prices creep up quietly. You sign up at $8.99. Then one day, it's $13.99 and you barely noticed. But honestly, the real problem isn't paying. It's trying to stop. Here's something important. If you've ever tried cancelling a subscription and nearly thrown your phone across the room, good news, you're not the problem. Bad news, that frustration was engineered on purpose. Welcome to the world of dark patterns. Sneaky interface tricks designed to keep you trapped. The Consumer Policy Research Center calls this the Hotel California effect. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave. Let's break down the 3 big traps. And trust me, you've seen these before. Trap number 1, the Roach Motel. Easy to get in, ridiculously hard to get out. You can sign up with one tap. But cancelling? That's a treasure hunt. Buttons hidden behind 5, 6, even 7 menus. You'll click through menus labeled Manage, Settings, Help, Pause, Options, Subscription, like a never-ending maze. Half the time the cancel link is grayed out or disguised as something else. Some companies won't even let you cancel online. You have to call them during business hours, sit on hold, and argue with a retention specialist trained to talk you out of it. You're not imagining it. This is a tactic. Trap number 2, confirm shaming. You've seen this one too. You click cancel, and suddenly you're bombarded with guilt messages. Are you sure you want to miss out? Your premium benefits will be gone. It won't be the same without you. Then you get a huge, colorful, keep my benefits button, and a tiny, sad little link that actually says cancel. This isn't customer service. It's psychological pressure. Trap number 3, forced continuity. A classic. The free trial that demands your credit card up front. They say they'll remind you. They almost never do. And suddenly, bam, you're rolled onto the full price plan. Or worse, a yearly plan billed monthly, which comes with cancellation fees. And here's the kicker. This isn't just shady apps. Major Aussie players like Amazon and HelloFresh have been called out for using these exact tactics. The government wants to crack down on it. But as of late 2025, the laws still haven't passed. So yes, for now, these traps are completely legal. All right, deep breath. This next part is where you take back control, and I promise, it's easier than you think. 3 steps, 5 minutes each. A couple of $100 saved a year. Let's go. Step 1, the audit. Open your banking app, scroll back 6 months, and highlight every recurring payment. Look for the sneaky ones, small amounts, weird company names, App Store or Google Play charges, duplicate fees. Make a list. And trust me, you will find something surprising. Step 2, the question. Now go down your list and ask 2 simple questions. 1, did I actively use this in the last 30 days? 2, is this giving me more value than it costs? If the answer is no, it goes. Not maybe later. Not I might need it someday. If you really need it later, you can resubscribe. Right now, we're stopping the leak. Step 3, the purge. This is the fun part. Time to cancel. And yes, they will try to stop you. Hidden buttons, guilt messages, exclusive deals. Before you go, pop-ups. Ignore all of it. Just repeat, I'd like to cancel my subscription, please. A few pro tips. Many banks now let you cancel subscriptions directly. App Store/Google Play often bypass the company completely. And for free trials, set a calendar reminder 2 days before it ends. Future you will thank you. So that harmless little $9.99 fee, not so harmless. It's part of a system that depends on you being too busy to notice. But now you know the tricks. And with one simple audit, you can save hundreds, even thousands, every single year. All right, your turn. What was the weirdest, pettiest, or most ridiculous subscription you found during your audit? Drop it in the comments. The funniest story gets pinned. Let's expose these traps together. Like and share it with a mate. And for more interesting, insightful Aussie stories, subscribe to Media Mates. I don't charge anything for my subscription. No money leaks here.